Thanks for watching. Please follow, like, comment and share at Nature and Biotechnology.